Okay guys, welcome to the speed build of the Raising the Part of Lego City. I already did one part of it, but I thought it would be fun for the next part to show you how I am building this. So I've got like a lot of pieces lying around here. By the way, this part is going to be where the Parisian Restaurant is going to be on. So let's get building. Do now is put the Parisian Restaurant on here. I put it on my Lego table, the entire construction, next to the other one. So now it's all just put the restaurant on here. So I've got some foundations and stuff, and that should work. Did on the other side, so it should work here too. And there we go. And see, it all fits. Oh, that was a tile, but that's fine. As you can see now, it will all fit perfectly. So you press on these tiles over here, so they actually line up with this grid. And there you go, we have a footpath, and you do the same in the back. And then you have it in there, and now it's not going anywhere. So now it's safe and attached and everything. So this is what you will get. Okay, so the work is finished. Don't mind the mess in the back, that's still the leftovers from here. As you can see, the Parisian Restaurant is now right over here, right across from the houses. I also made it fall because like the leaves changed. I thought it would be fun. So now you can basically see what the idea is. There's a canal in the middle and then buildings on either side of it, so a boat can go through this. And the idea is that the fishing store is gonna go right over there where now the construction crew is. And then I will make a stairs down so you can fish at the water. And then all the way in the back will be the Joker Manor. So this is basically what I've done. I'm gonna do this a few more times, as you can guess, because I of course need to finish the other race parts too. But this is a good start. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you liked the video, of course subscribe, like, etc. And I'll see you next time.